Dr. Rob Cushman from the Renfrew County and District Health Unit. I'm here again to talk to you about COVID. I just want to thank everybody in Renfrew County. We've done very well. We've only had 30 cases since this all started, and it's mostly because of your good work, practicing the basic rules of public health that we need to contain this virus. Physical distancing, as you know, the 2 meters, wearing a mask when you're in an enclosed public space, and also proper hygiene, hand washing. So now, just some recent research, that a mask can prevent between 5 and 8 of 10 possible cases. And this is really good information that's just come out. So it just shows you that you are the ones who are doing the work that needs to be done so that we can keep going, getting people back to work, opening up the economy, allowing people to shop, and also, really important, allowing kids to get back to school in the fall. That's what's going to be very tricky, and we're going to have to really do our best to ensure that we have as few cases as possible so that these kids can go back to school. On another note, I'd just say, look, not everyone can wear a mask. We don't want this to be a big political issue. Don't sort of point people out. Just do your best, do what you need to do and what you can do to help us. On another note, if you have symptoms, certainly contact your doctor or VTAC or us. COVID has a wide range of symptoms. We've been surprised. A few people we didn't think had COVID actually had COVID. So if you have symptoms, please contact either us or VTAC or, as I said, your health provider. And in that case, it's best to get tested, given the advice we'd give you, and also to self-isolate until you know the answer to the test. And if you're a contact of someone who's tested positive or someone who is being tested because there's some concerns, again, you need to isolate until we know what needs to be done. And here again, if you've been a contact or a possible case, you'll be in contact with the health unit and just abide by the information and the advice they give you. So I just want to say that, as I said earlier, there are a lot of opportunity to get COVID tests in Renfrew County, and certainly if you have any concerns, take advantage of that opportunity. And finally, I just want to repeat, as I said, as we get into stage 3, it's all about the economy. It's all getting back to the new normal. It's all about getting kids back to school. And I just have a quote for you that I'd like to read. It's from someone who wrote a letter to the editor about masks. And they said, and I quote, "Wearing a mask is not just a proven tactic to fight the spread of the disease." I've told you about how effective they can be. It's also a symbol. It shows that the world that you care about yourself and about those around you. And in the end, this individual says, "I'm wearing a mask now so that one day we won't have to wear masks." So here we are in the midst of a world crisis, a pandemic, and one that has affected Canada from sea to sea to sea. And it's up to us to contain this. It's up to you. We at the health unit and the health professionals and the paramedics, we can only do our best, but we're really relying on you because at the end of the day, it all depends on what you do in terms of those 3 best practices: distancing, hand hygiene, and wearing masks. So I thank you again. You've really taken it to your heart and to your mind to really keep Renfrew County safe. Thank you.